a lot of the documents were taken to London during the 17th century. One of the ships that was taking documents back to Edinburgh sank, and so all of the documents that were probably somewhere.
Without this key evidence, researchers have had to delve deep into history and even underground to find clues to what life was like in medieval Scotland. Years of investigation are finally yielding a clear picture of Braveheart's lost world. The first step is to discover where he was born. According to legend, this is Braveheart's birthplace, Elderslie. It is now a suburb of the sprawling city of Glasgow. Archaeologist Derek Alexander keeps returning here, hunting for clues to the hidden world of Wallace's childhood. He needs evidence that will date the site to the right period, around 1270.
What we really need to do is we need to go behind this house over here and into the garden and have a look there what's there.
Several historical maps mark this plot as Wallace's house. Each one shows a distinctive boundary line. Derek thinks that this corresponds to a ditch that runs behind the modern-day house.
And we think that the remains of the enclosure might still survive in bits of it, but we don't know exactly where. But the best way to find out about the date of this site would be actually to look in the ditch, so we're going to have a look.
Since Braveheart's time, there have been 7 centuries of construction and development here. Just one small corner remains untouched, and this is where Derek began his search.
These stones are part of a modern sort of garden wall feature, you know. So we excavated a trench right across here, but we got it down quite quickly through some modern rubbish, lots of pottery and glass and things like that. But down underneath was an